But it is so sad, BRS for BRS, sir, individual is more important than the people, sir. If one individual is so important, then I think the people will teach them our more strong lesson, sir. Because we come here to represent the people. We are not here to represent one individual. You are fighting for one individual. And I am standing here fighting for the people, sir. And we will continue our fight, sir. हम आवाम के मसाइल को उठाने आए हैं. And sir, this Dharani, sir, right from day one, sir, Dharani was brought into and it was enacted, sir, only to help one family, sir. And today also they are agitating for one family member only, sir. This gives a message: family is superior than the people. Family is superior than the state. Family is superior than this house. It is very sad, sir. Very sad, sir. Very, very sad, sir. Sir, the reason for bringing in this Bahu Bharati bill is that lot of irregularities has happened, and the people responsible for the irregularities is again one family, sir. And sir, it is a very important subject, sir. There are many amendments also which me and my party has given, and we want the amendments to be discussed, sir. Sir, when the Dharani had lacunas and shortcomings, and it had given ways and means to one family to have irregularities, take the government land, take the farmers' land, and they have taken, sir, the state. Sir, I would like to come on record and say that, sir, the state has lost thousands of crores because of Dharani, sir. The farmers have lost thousands of acres, sir. The SCs have lost. The STs have lost. Assigned land have been lost. The forest has been lost, sir. And now this government is trying to correct it. And in this correction also, there are few things which further needs to be corrected, sir. And we want to bring that to the notice of the government. And the BRS is not allowing us by disturbing the proceedings of the House, sir. Sir, I would continue, sir. And once again I request, sir, for the last time, please request them, or sir, we should suspend them, sir.
So many times I requested.
Yes, sir, I am witness to that, sir. You have done, sir. But it is very sad, sir. It is very sad. It is very sad. Sir, they are giving the slogan, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. तानाशाही तो ये करते आए हैं, ये कर रहे हैं. 10 साल तानाशाही करे, अभी भी तानाशाही कर रहे हैं. क्या है, सर? सर, हमारे पास उर्दू में एक मुहावरा है, सर. गैरों पे तनकीद करने से पहले अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखो, बोलते हैं. तो आई वुड एडवाइज द BRS पीपल, तो अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखिए. अरे हमको बोलने दीजिए. सर, इफ नॉट दिस फोरम, वेयर शुड वी गो, सर? 10 years they enjoyed the fruits, sir, of power. Not only enjoying, sir, their 7th generation can enjoy that much. They have looted the state, sir. I would come on record and say, sir, it is unfair not to allow us, sir. Sir, the land is a valuable and finite resource that is under immense pressure due to the growing demands of the society. With land values steadily rising, it is imperative to maintain accurate records of rights, ROR and survey records to ensure proper land management and governance, sir. So this bill has been drafted by present Congress government apparently to address the lacuna in the Telangana Right in Land and Pattadar Passbook Act 2020 enacted with a provision of BRS government in October 2020 replacing the earlier Act of 1971, sir.